Hi, I'm LeeAnne Rimel, Principal Admin Evangelist here at Salesforce. Did you know that you can use the Lightning App Builder and filters to choose which components are displayed on a record page based on not only values of that record, but also of related records? Let's take a look at how you can use App Builder plus filters and advanced filters to choose your component visibility for the page and create a really customized experience. So we're on our opportunity page and we're going to go to edit page to get to the App Builder so we can start adding more components to this page based on dynamic filters. So I'm in our App Builder page here. I've got my standard components on the left. First, let's bring over a report chart component. So we've got a report that we want to display, but we only want to display it for specific opportunities. So first we want to select our report chart. And so all of our reports that have charts tied to them would be available here. But those reports that are based on the same record would also have the option to filter by opportunity ID. Now here we're in our component visibility. So we have all of the fields on the opportunity record, like whether or not it's closed, that are available to filter on. And that's awesome. So we can decide, yes, we're going to only show these opportunity filters or opportunity chart when it's open. But now let's also bring over another component. So we're going to use our flow standard component, and we've got an account feedback screen flow that we've created. But we only want this to be shown for specific types of accounts, but we're on the opportunity page. So we're going to go into filter type advanced, and then we can select the field that we want to add. So these are all of the different kind of field jumps that we can look at here. And what's really cool is you can actually go up to 5 relationships away. So everywhere there's the little arrow on the right, it means that we can continue to add maybe more fields from that object it's related to. So we've selected on the record, we want to look at the account name, and we want to actually bring in the type pick list from the account record. So this means that we're looking at the parent account record to filter on the component visibility on the opportunity page. So that's really powerful as you think about all of the different jumps you can do. And also we can filter on things like jumping into the user, the running user, and also the roles. So once we save this, let's go back and we can take a look. So we've had our 2 new components that we added. We've got our flow screen that's showing up, and we also had that report chart. And we can see when we move it to closed 1, of course, when we move it to closed 1, that report chart is no longer visible because we've really maximize the real estate and said, hey, that's not going to be needed when it's closed 1. But also we have that flow screen. And so let's imagine that our account changes type. So we had it filtered to just show on prospect accounts, but if we are working with a different type of account, like a customer direct, and then we go back to our record page and refresh it, then that flow screen is not going to be visible. So this is a great way to really be thoughtful about the real estate that you're using on your page, and also make sure that the right information, the right components are surfaced to your users at the right time. So I hope you all enjoy building more filtered custom pages with App Builder. If there's one thing you do today to learn more about App Builder, especially these dynamic pages that we showed, check out this webinar with the YouTube video for how to deliver lots of innovation with App Builder. Thanks for joining. See you next time.